Having trouble seeing your Tesla's real-time charge status in the app? This is often due to the car entering a low-power sleep mode to save battery. The app needs to wake up the vehicle to get the latest data. This applies to all Tesla models, including the Model 3, Y, S, X, and Cybertruck. We'll cover the common causes and, most importantly, how to fix it. The easiest fix is to manually wake up your Tesla. Open your Tesla app and look for a wake up button. Pressing this sends a signal to your car. If there's no button, try physically interacting with your car. Open a door or trunk. This often triggers the wake-up process. Give it a minute or two after waking to see if the charge status updates. The Tesla app requires a stable internet connection to sync charge data with your vehicle. Without it, the app cannot update in real time. Your Tesla can connect to Wi-Fi networks such as your home network or public hotspots. This provides a stable connection for data synchronization. Alternatively, Tesla vehicles come equipped with cellular connectivity using LTE or 5G networks. This allows the car to stay connected even when Wi-Fi is unavailable. You can check your Tesla's internet connection status directly on the central touchscreen. Look for the connection indicator to see if Wi-Fi or cellular is active. Weak connectivity is a common cause of sync issues, particularly in remote areas where cellular coverage may be limited or Wi-Fi networks are unavailable. If waking the car and checking connectivity doesn't work, the problem might be with the Tesla app itself. This is what the Tesla app looks like when it's not updating charge status properly. Try clearing the app's cache in your phone's settings. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Apps, find the Tesla app, and clear its storage and cache. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find Tesla, and offload or delete the app to clear cache. If clearing the cache doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the Tesla app. To reinstall, press and hold the app icon, select Uninstall or Delete, then download it again from your App Store. This often resolves software glitches that prevent proper data synchronization. Note that the app averages a 99.5% uptime. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues that prevent your Tesla app from updating charge status properly. Tesla releases frequent updates that improve app vehicle communication, so it's essential to keep both your car software and the Tesla app current. Start by checking for Tesla app updates. Open the Tesla app on your phone and look for the update notification, or go to the App Store to ensure you have the latest version, which includes fixes for data sync issues. Next, check your car's software updates directly on the touchscreen. Navigate to the software menu in your Tesla's settings to download and install the latest version, which may include improvements like those in FSD Supervised v13. Recent updates like FSD Supervised v13 specifically enhance app vehicle communication, ensuring faster and more reliable charge status updates. Always install these updates when available to maintain optimal performance. Tesla's data sync process relies on an API, or Application Programming Interface, which acts as the bridge between your vehicle and the mobile app. The API enables data synchronization every 5 to 15 minutes when the vehicle is online, using efficient protocols like MQTT for real-time updates. If the connection is lost, the app displays cache data from the previous sync, ensuring you still see charge information until connectivity is restored. To ensure smooth syncing, verify that your app has the correct permissions, such as location access, which allows the app to communicate properly with your vehicle. Tesla vehicles now benefit from upgraded mobile network integration announced in September 2025, utilizing more stable LTE and 5G connections for data synchronization. These networks operate across different frequency bands, with 5G offering significantly higher download speeds and lower latency compared to LTE. This enhanced connectivity minimizes delays caused by weak Wi-Fi or cellular signals, ensuring reliable real-time data sync for your Tesla. To get the best real-time data sync, always ensure your Tesla is connected to a strong internet connection through LTE or 5G networks. Looking ahead, Tesla aims for instant sync using satellite connectivity, such as Starlink integration for Cybertruck models by 2027. This will eliminate wake-up delays entirely, providing real-time data access no matter where you are. Future trends also include AI-driven diagnostics that will automatically detect and resolve sync failures, using machine learning to analyze patterns and prevent issues before they occur. Stay tuned for even more seamless EV integration with enhanced connectivity and smarter systems, making your Tesla experience effortless.